Unintentional signals can be relationship roadblocks. Let's dive into 6 subtle body language blunders that could be pushing your crush away. Crossing your arms might seem comfortable, but it screams, closed off. Open up, literally, to signal you're approachable. Avoiding eye contact? It can come off as disinterest. Lock eyes occasionally. It shows confidence and interest. Constantly checking your phone is a no-go. It tells your crush they're second to your screen. Keep it out of sight to keep the focus right. Fidgeting is a sign of nervousness. Stay calm and collected. It's more attractive. Invading personal space can be overwhelming. Respect boundaries to make them feel comfortable. Lastly, a fake smile can be spotted a mile away. Smile genuinely. It's contagious and inviting. Now go captivate your crush with your newfound body language finesse. Crossing your arms, hunching your shoulders, avoiding eye contact, these are the silent signals of a closed posture. They're like an invisible wall telling others, stay back. It's a stance that screams defensiveness and disinterest, and it's a surefire way to dampen the spark of attraction. Picture yourself at a social gathering, eyeing someone who's caught your interest. You make your move, but as you draw closer, you're met with a barricade of folded arms and a downward gaze. That's the power of body language. It can either invite someone in or shut them out before a single word is exchanged. So, what's the secret to drawing people in? It's simple. Open and relaxed posture. Stand tall, maintain gentle eye contact, and keep your arms uncrossed. This non-verbal cue is a green light, signaling confidence and openness. By being mindful of your body language, you can transform your interactions, making them warmer, more engaging, and yes, more attractive. A genuine smile is a silent yet incredibly powerful tool. It's a universal sign of warmth and positivity that can draw people in, making you seem more approachable and engaged. Without it, you might come across as unapproachable or disinterested, which can be a significant barrier when trying to connect with others. Picture yourself in a job interview where the interviewer maintains a stern expression devoid of any warmth. This lack of a smile can set a tone of discomfort, making the interaction feel more like an interrogation than a conversation. It's a stark reminder of how a simple smile can transform the atmosphere, making it more inviting and open. But the power of a smile goes beyond first impressions. It's not just about how others see you, it's also about how you feel. Smiling can boost your own confidence and help you relax, making social situations less daunting. So the next time you find yourself in a room full of strangers or sitting across from a potential employer, remember to let your smile be your ally. It's a small gesture that can have a profound impact on your social interactions. Nervous movements, those little actions like playing with your hair or tapping your feet, are more than just quirks. They're signals to the world, often interpreted as anxiety or discomfort. It's natural to feel a flutter of nerves, but letting them take the reins can paint a picture of insecurity. Picture this. You're on a date, your hands can't seem to stay still, and your eyes keep darting to your watch. This doesn't just distract you, it sends a message to your date that you might not be fully engaged. In a job interview, the same fidgeting can suggest you're not confident in your own abilities. But here's the good news. Controlling these movements can help you project calmness and confidence. Start by practicing breathing and relaxation techniques. They're your secret weapons in reducing anxiety and keeping your posture poised and assured. Use your hands with purpose, making gestures that are deliberate and expressive when the moment calls for it. Remember, the goal is to appear as confident on the outside as you want to feel on the inside. Respecting personal space isn't just about manners, it's a cornerstone of healthy relationships. When it comes to your crush, understanding and honoring their boundaries is key to fostering trust and comfort. Imagine standing in line, feeling someone's breath on your neck. Uncomfortable, right? That's how your crush might feel if you get too close too soon. It's crucial to watch for comfort signals. Are they stepping back? Do they seem tense? These are cues to take a step back and give them the room they need. By maintaining a respectful distance, you're sending a clear message. I value your comfort and boundaries. This isn't about playing it cool. It's about creating a space where both of you can be yourselves without pressure or discomfort. Remember, a respectful connection is a two-way street, and it starts with respecting personal space. When you walk into a room, do you stand tall or slouch? Your body posture speaks volumes before you even say a word. Slouching or hunching can suggest a lack of confidence and self-esteem, while an upright posture radiates power and authority. Picture someone with a commanding presence. Their posture alone can instill a sense of security and self-assurance in those around them. But it's not just about how others see you, it's also about how you see yourself. An upright and confident posture doesn't just project an image of confidence, it can actually enhance your own feelings of self-worth. Feeling powerful and assertive can boost your confidence, equipping you to face both personal and professional challenges with a stronger mindset. So next time you're in a meeting, resist the urge to hunch over the table. Straighten up, engage with your team, and watch how the room's perception and your own self-perception shifts. Remember, maintaining good posture is a simple yet effective way to present yourself in the best possible light. Lack of eye contact might seem trivial, but it's a silent deal breaker in forming connections, whether it's with your crush or in a professional setting. Eye contact isn't just a social nicety, it's a potent tool for showing interest and forging an emotional bond. When you lock eyes with someone, you're silently communicating that you're fully present and invested in the moment. Consider sharing an exciting story only to have your listener glance away repeatedly. It's disheartening, isn't it? You feel ignored, perhaps even insignificant. Similarly, in a job interview, if the interviewer avoids eye contact, it can leave you feeling unimportant, as if you're not a valued potential addition to the team. So make it a point to maintain eye contact. It's a clear signal that you're engaged and attentive. By doing so, you demonstrate that you value the conversation and the person you're speaking with. Remember, your eyes can speak volumes even when you're silent. Avoid slouching, invading personal space, and excessive nodding to attract your crush. Ditch the crossed arms, fidgeting, and lack of eye contact. Practice positive body language for better interactions. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips from Mind Mastery. Good luck!